Hey everyone, it's FTJ here doing an opening for two Prestige 2015 Blaster Box from Target. I guess they're usually $20, but they were on sale for $13. I did also buy a 20, sorry, 2009, which I opened by myself. It wasn't anything great in there, but I might buy more. This was also only $12. So I guess all the Prestige they're getting rid of now. They're trying to clear out, and it's not Target. Target has their own supplier that brings it in for them, but most of you guys probably know that. But I'll try and open two boxes, both right now. I think my videos can only run about 10 minutes on my phone. But you can get autographs, so it's worth it for $13, I guess. See if there's any autographs in here. And 8 cards per pack and 8 packs per box. Yeah, I guess first things first. Who is that? Jaylene Strong. Actually, I might just keep it to one box per video. So just look for the other video if you want to see what's in the other box. I just don't want to rush it because I think my phone can only hold 10 minutes per video on 1080p, and I don't want to go less than 1080p. Alright, let's see. Alright. And that's the front, and this is what the back looks like. I'm sure everybody has bought one of these over the time, but for $13 I figure I get 2 boxes. So Bernard, and I guess I'm really at this point just looking for autographs. I mean, how many base cards can you have? Sam Bradford, or any numbered, and I don't think there's going to be any numbered in here. Eli, Jonathan Stewart, Devin Hester, Justin Hunter, Victor Cruz, extra points, and Danielle Hunter. Well, doesn't seem like any of the packs are thick, so it's probably no jerseys in here. Andy Dalton, Steve Smith Sr., Cole Beasley. I'm not going to try to say his name, which I can, but I don't want to mess it up on camera. I'll probably get it like 9 out of 10 times right, and then the 10th time when I'm recording, I'll get it wrong. Vernon Davis, Dante Fowler Jr., and Shane Ray. Let's see what the back of those. No, they're all pretty much the same. See, this one does feel kind of thick. Maybe there's something in this one. Yeah, there is. And I don't want to be one of those people that saves it for the last. I feel that that's pointless. It's not going to change what's in there. Or it might just be a decoy. So what's the point? Curly, Sills, Chancellor, Donald, Aaron Donald, Floyd, McCoy. Oh, that's pretty cool. Out of 10. Wow, see? There you go. Ty Hilton out of 10. So I guess it's worth trying to go for the old ones. You never know what you'll get in there for $13. You know, I mean, it's only like 2 years old. That's pretty cool. Alright. Definitely worth it. For, what was it, a 2 out of 10. Dorsett. And it's funny because I literally go and I just buy all the clearance ones when I see them. Because, like I said in another video, a lot of the new ones You don't get much in there anymore, especially retail. Just get a bunch of base cards. Robert Woods, Butler, Julius Peppers, Nick Foles, Danny Woodhead, Richardson, Forsett, and Dyer. Johnson, Williams, Hawkins, Jamal Charles, Von Miller, Ted Ginn, Armstead. Those are nice looking cards. Almost like stainless steel. Not numbered. Marcus Peters. So I think I bought the last two of the Prestige 2015. So I'll go back to Target, see if there's any more later today, maybe tomorrow. So if you want to see any more of those or any more of these, just subscribe and I'll put them up. I'm not even saying the names. Freeman, Romo, Victor Cruz, Mosley, Jeremy Hill, Kendall Wright, Andre Johnson, Leonard Williams. Alright, 2 more packs. Lamar Miller, Sammy Watkins, Amendola, Adrian Foster, Anquan Bolden, Patrick Peterson, Brendan Oliver, Kevin White. Alright, last pack. Randall Cobb, Matthew Stafford, Heath Miller. I used to hate these jerseys and uniforms, but it's actually not that bad now. If you're a Steelers fan, I guess you'd like it. Crowell, Streeter, Davis, C.J. Spiller, and Kenny Bell. And then I'll open this up. It's not really anything. Alright, that's it for now. So that was a Prestige 2015, $13 clearance section at Target. Really like this. Wow. I wish it was I wish it was a lot easier to sell stuff on eBay, because like you'll never know if you'll get ripped off. If you sell it, you know, the customer's just gonna lie and say they never got the card and then cancel the transaction, then you won't get paid. But I have a lot of good cards. I wish I was able to sell them on eBay, or maybe I'll test it with a couple crappy cards. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend.